Okay, now I want to show about the backup and restore in Unifi controller. Yeah, okay, now let's start. We can open the Unifi controller. Okay, now we click so opens. Okay, now we can log in username and password, and then click on sign in. Yeah, we will go into the dashboard, and then yes, we can see all information about the device. And yeah, now we can go in with the setting, and then let's click on system setting and maintenance. Okay, now we scroll down and click on backup and restore. Yes, here we have the choice. Yeah, we can select the backup. Yeah, we can select the backup by day, or which one that you like. Yeah, and now let's click on 7 days and click on download backup. Okay, so, and finish. Yeah, we open the file we backup. Yeah, okay, and now yeah, we want to show about the restore. Yeah, restore file that we backup. Okay, it's the same way. Yeah, the same way. We can go to the setting and click on system setting and maintenance, and backup and restore. Yeah, okay, we can see, yes, backup and restore. Okay, we can choose, yeah, this two file. Just click on two file, and then we find the backup file that we download before. Yeah, okay, and then you click on open. It's yeah, just click on open. It's finished. Okay, thank you very much.